In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to the latest Windows 11, which is 25H2 on your unsupported device. I'll be using the device on 4th generation processor with Windows 11 version 23H2 for this demonstration. The only tools we'll be using is just the command prompt and the Windows 11 25H2 ISO file. No USB flash drive or app is needed. As you can see, 25H2 has been successfully installed using just simple commands. Without wasting much time, let's start. If you are already having the file, you can skip this step. You will first need the ISO file of the new version of Windows you want to upgrade to, which in our case is the 25H2. So let's open our browser and search for Windows 11 download. You can add the ISO to it. Head to Microsoft official site to download from there. Scroll down and look for the option that says download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Then select download. Choose the Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Then hit confirm. Now select your product language. So I'm going to choose the English International. Now click on the 64-bit download for it to start the download process. As you can see, the file size is 7.22 gig. I already have the file, so I'm going to skip this part. Now go and mount the downloaded ISO file. To show you that the file is the actual one I downloaded from the Microsoft official site and I have not done any editing in it, let's first try installing it straight away and see. I have Power ISO installed on my device, that is why the ISO file is looking like that. If you don't have any app on your device to mount the ISO file, I have the Power ISO in the description. Go and download that one. I'm going to open the setup and show you that I have not done any editing in it. I'm just launching it to show you that it's the official app. As you can see, my device is not supported because I don't have the TPM 2.0 and my processor is not supported. Let's go to my device and let me show you. My device is a 4th gen i7, which for you to be able to install the Windows 11, you need 8th generation processor. And the requirement for the 25H2 is for you to already have the 24H2 installed. I am having the 23H2. As you have seen, my device is not supported. Let's move on to the fix by using the command prompt. Open the start menu and search for CMD and run it as administrator. Now this is the most important part. Check for the drive letter assigned to the mounted ISO file. The assigned letter for my own is drive F. Your own may be different, so check it well. Now come to the command prompt and type the drive letter there. So my own is F. Now followed by colon. Hit enter. Followed by this command setup/product server. So what this command is doing is, rather than using the main setup offline file which is provided with the Windows file, it is rather using the server. Open change how setup downloads update and switch it to not right now. Choose nothing if you want all your files and apps to be deleted after the upgrade. When you choose the keep files only, all your files will be kept but the apps will be deleted. I'm going to choose keep files, settings and apps because I don't want any of them to be deleted. And also note that these processes will take time, so you have to be patient. After finishing with that, hit the install and it will start doing the installation. So right now you have to wait patiently for the installation process to finish. I'm going to play music to entertain myself while the process continues. As you already know, every year Microsoft releases major updates. You can use this way to do the upgrade on your unsupported device. You can upgrade your Windows 10 to 11 using this same method. The system will restart by itself. It's normal for it to do that, so relax for it to finish. Now, the 25H2 upgrade is successful. It comes with many features like the AI component and more. Let's first on the screen recording and go to the settings to check the device details. The whole installation process took like getting to an hour. I don't think it is a first time. It may depend on the system you are working with. The 4th Gen i7 processor is now on 25H2, showing you that you can do it on any system, and there is no need for USB flash drive or any fancy app. All you need is the command prompt. Like, share and subscribe if this video was helpful.